Assalamualaikum. Today we are explaining Canva tutorial for beginners. Learn to design like a pro step by step for YouTube for students 100% free. How to use Canva for beginners. What is Canva? A simple design tool anyone can use. A free online design tool made for everyone. No experience needed. Create posters, videos, social media posts, and more. Works in your browser or on the app. How to create a free account? Just four easy steps you're ready to design. First, go to canva.com. Open Canva in your browser. Click sign up. Tap the sign up button. Choose sign up method. Use email, Google or Facebook. Start designing. Your free account is ready. Canva home screen overview. Get to know your workspace. Search bar. Find any template, photo or video instantly. Sidebar menu. Jump to home. Templates, projects and brand kit. Template gallery. Browse ready-made designs to start from. 4. Create a design. Click the button. Start a blank canvas. How to choose a template. Pick a design and make it your own. Type your topic in the search bar. Example Instagram post. Browse categories to explore more styles. Click on template you like. It opens instantly in the editor, ready to customize. Adding and editing text. Make your message clear and stylish. Click text in the sidebar. Add a healing, sub-healing, or paragraph. Double click to edit. Type your own words directly on the design. Change font size and color. Use the top toolbar to style your text. Add fun effects. Try shadow, outline, or curve effects. Adding photos, icons, and elements. Bring your design to life with visuals. Photos, icons, elements. Photos. Search milestone of free stock photos, icons. Add simple flat icons for any topic. Elements, shapes, lines, frames, and illustrations. Just drag and drop any item onto your Canva design canvas. Uploading your own images and videos. Use your own files inside Canva. Click click as loads, find it in the left sidebar menu. Select use load files, choose to upload from your device, pick image or video, select the file you want to add, drag into Canvas, drop it right into your design. Using animations and transition, make your design move and shine. Animate element, select any item and click animate to make it move. Animate the page, click animate in the toolbar to animate everything. Add page transition, choose how one page flows into the next. Downloading your design, click share, download, choose your file type. PNG, best for images with a transparent background. JPG, great for photos and social media posts. PDF, perfect the document and resumes and printing. MP4 for animated designs and video content. Tips and tricks for faster designing. Work smarter, not harder. Use keyboard shortcuts, copy, paste, and undo in seconds. Save your brand kit, store your colors and fonts for views. Resize the design instantly. Turn on one design into many sizes. Try magic to this Canva AI help your design faster. Use old templates. Use start new project from past designs. Group your elements. Move and resize items together. Hope you like my presentation about Canva tutorial. Subscribe for more Canva tutorials. Thank you. Subscribe, like, share, and watch it now again. If you want Canva Pro, contact me in Gmail in description. Gmail in description. See now and watch now.